Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today it's going to be a special one. I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate lava cakes, which are great for Valentine's Day or any time of the year that you just feel like making a very cute dessert. But the reason why I'm extremely excited is because I get to serve them into some beautiful plates. I am so honored to introduce you to the artwork from Circo Fortuna. Circo Fortuna is a small arts and crafts boutique situated in Syracuse, my hometown. And you can also check out their online store at their website, circofortuna.com, and their Instagram page. It's full of beautiful, unique pieces that will bring joy into your home. You'll find everything linked down below. Anyways, without any further ado, let's begin. The first step is to chop up 130 grams of dark chocolate. I suggest using 70%, it's my favorite. Then I melt it in a double boiler by simply heating up some water in a pot and placing a bowl on top of it. The water doesn't need to touch the bottom of the bowl. This allows the chocolate to melt gently with the steam. When it's almost completely melted, I added 70 grams of sugar and a pinch of salt and mix it in. I also added 80 grams of butter and I let it melt with the other ingredients. Once everything is well incorporated, take it off the stove and let it cool down for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I buttered 4 aluminum tins, and then I put a little bit of flour, or you could also use cocoa powder, and I removed the excess just by shaking it around a little bit, just like this. Okay, at this point the chocolatey mixture should be at room temperature, so I can add 2 eggs. If your mixture is too hot when you add the eggs, you risk to cook them instantly, and that's not right. So I mix them in and then I sieve 20 grams of flour that I add in gradually. I fold in the first half of the flour and then the remaining amount. I pour the mixture into the tins about 3/4 of the way. And while the oven is preheating at 350 Fahrenheit, I put the lava cakes in the fridge. And when the oven is ready, I bake them for 13 minutes. But the cooking time may vary based on your oven or the size of the tins you use, so you may need to adjust that. Okay, and while they're baking, let me just show you these amazing little plates kindly gifted to me from Circo Fortuna. I love their unique and playful style. Their artwork depicts happiness, positivity, and the bright side of life. I absolutely love them, so thank you, Circo Fortuna. At this point, the lava cakes are ready, so I flip them onto the dish and I sprinkle some icing sugar on the top, and they're ready to be served. Ready? Let's dive in. They are amazing. As you can tell, I already tasted and it's so good. Honestly, this kind of dessert is one of my favorite. Like at a restaurant, if that's an option on the menu, I'm definitely getting the lava cakes. I just love it so much. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out Circo Fortuna's boutique because it's really worth it. They have a beautiful selection of ceramics and artwork to choose from, and all their information is linked down below. Also, if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And also, if you remake these lava cakes using my recipe, I would love to see your pictures, so feel free to tag me on Instagram or send me a DM. I would really appreciate it. Well, thank you guys. Bye bye.